Hello and welcome. My name is Jed Albring. In this video, I'm going to talk about the ClickFunnels Facebook pixel. So when you take your pixel from Facebook, which is in your pixels, right, under Facebook pixels in your business manager, you'd simply copy and paste that pixel code and you're going to put it into, so if you're in your funnel, let me go back. Let's say I'm in the opt-in funnel. I'd go to settings. I'd scroll down to header and I put my main pixel right here. That way it's going to cover every single page. So you don't have to go into each page and put that pixel in. You just put it in once here. Now, when you're in your page, this is where you would put your events. After you do your pixel, it'll ask, do you want to collect leads? Do you want to collect sales? So forth. So under settings on each page is where you'd go to tracking code. And then up here in the header, you would put your page view pixel, right? Because they're viewing the page. They haven't given you their email yet. Now, to collect the lead, in order to get a lead pixel, they'd have to go from here to this page. So in the second step of the funnel is where I would go and hit Edit Page. And I go to Settings. I go to Tracking. And I would put my Facebook lead pixel here. Does that make sense? So the page view pixel is going to go here. The lead pixel will go here. Now, if I'm doing a purchase, I would have to go all the way, depending on where your funnel is, I would go to after I know they've made a purchase. So let's say day 4, I don't think I have a purchase in this funnel, but let's say this is the opt-in, this is the lead, and then I have an upsell here. And if they buy it, this would say be the checkout. So I would go to the final checkout page, whatever that is in your funnel, go to Edit, go to Settings, go to Custom CS, and that final page of the checkout would be right here. And if you already have pixels in there, just go to the bottom, make a space, and just add your Facebook pixel there. So this would be the purchase. So the purchase would traditionally go, say, on the thank you page after they've made everything. So in a nutshell, the pixel, your main pixel is going to go in your settings tab. Your page view will go on your first. Your lead pixel will go on your second, and then your purchase pixel is going to go on your thank you page, or whatever happens after they've actually put in credit card information, and it could be a confirmation page, checkout page, something like, or not a checkout page, but a thank you page, as long as they've already made the transaction. Okay, I hope you enjoy that. Please like, comment, share. If you're new to ClickFunnels, I will put a link below. You can try them out for 14 days for free. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one.